Welcome, in front of me is a Google Pixel 9a, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. And to get started, you will want to hold power button and volume up and then select power off from the boot options. Now, when the device turns off, give it like solid 5 seconds more, and afterwards you're gonna hold power button and volume down at the same time. And let go of the buttons once you see this mode show up. Next, using volume buttons, you want to have recovery mode visible right here and then confirm it with the power button. And in a moment we'll see Android with no command, so you're going to hold power button, press volume up once, and this will then redirect us to the recovery mode. And in here, just like before, you're going to use volume buttons to navigate up or down and power button to confirm whatever is selected. And going over the options, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader, which will take us back to the first page we have seen after turning off the device. Then we got enter fastboot mode, just the fastboot mode, and apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. So I'm gonna stick with the first option, and like I mentioned, this will now reboot the device and take me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.